Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. So on Tuesdays, we should try something new. So here are a few ideas. Learn 10 new phrases in a new language. Start a journal. Plant some flowers. Learn a new skill. Knitting, juggling. Send a handwritten letter to a friend or a teacher. Call someone you haven't spoken to recently. Go one day without social media or YouTube. Solve a Rubik's Cube, do yoga or meditate. The list is endless. Just try something new today. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we will have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have chicken bites. Tomorrow we'll have breakfast, and for lunch we'll have hot dogs. Today's birthdays are Evan Harris, Chris Miller, and Rowan Miller. Happy birthday! A couple of announcements. We still have time if you want to do an ACAP practice session. We can make that happen. If you are Phonics First trained and interested in a spot facilitating the summer reading program, please see the link in Miss Linscomb's Friday Focus email. Also, PST documentation, make sure you have updated and uploaded that into your Schoology. Late duty this week. Today is Miss Hamlin. Tomorrow is Miss Lankford. Some important dates. The 10th is grade level planning during your extended PE time. Upcoming next week starts our ACAP testing window. Then we have some AMSTI PD with Candace Tracy. March 24th, we have PST. March 26th is the end of the third quarter, followed by spring break, spring pictures, and ending of ACAP summative test. The word of the day is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value, okay? They represent the same amount. So the first fraction is 1/2, the second fraction is 2/4, and the third fraction is 4/8. And although those fractions look different, they all represent the same amount. 4/8 and 2/4 is equal or equivalent to 1/2 of the bar. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.